Alright guys, I've got a 2014 Ford Explorer. I am changing out the rear center seat belt, and it is difficult to remove, but I'll just quickly show you the location. Basically, you gotta remove the upholstery. There's some hog ties over here, some brackets in the back, but basically then once you've got that undone, there's a center bolt right here, and then you guys can figure out the rest. One more thing real quick, once you pull the fabric off, there's another couple bolts up top, and then this plate is going to come off. Alright, to remove the belt buckle, also kind of difficult. So this is the inside portion of the seat. So starting from the seat's divided into a small piece and a large piece. Looking at the small piece, so the buckle is actually on the large one right there, but it'll go around to get to it. It'll go around here. You'll have to take this off. This would be for the left hand seat buckle, and then once you take this off, you'll kind of have to reach under the seat here, and then there is going to be a silver bolt just like straight over there. You should be able to see it, and the bolt is, so it's going to be one of these guys. I don't know what they're called. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hex key, maybe. So, yep.